Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to delete an app and all its data on iPhone. So when I say all its data, it includes data and all the documents, the information that's associated with this particular application you want to delete on your iPhone that gobs tons of storage. So basically here, I'll show you exactly how to delete messages, how to delete an app on your iPhone the best way. So doing this, the app will not be kept on your iPhone, it will be deleted and all the data. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways you can use to delete app or an app on iPhone and all the data. You can do that from the home screen, and then you can do that via the settings app. So let's go to the settings on your iPhone. While on the settings page, you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to general. Then select that. Once you select the general, locate iPhone storage. Here, you have access to all the applications you have installed on your iPhone, like this. So once on the iPhone storage page, just scroll down a bit and click on Show All to reveal all the applications you have. So you can select the application you want to delete its data from your iPhone. So select the application you want to delete its data on your iPhone. So let's say, in this case, I want to delete the MS Player application and the data on my iPhone. So go ahead and click on that. Once you selected that, come here and click on Delete instead of Offload. If you choose Offload, this is only going to offload the application from your iPhone without deleting the app data and the document. Now, since we're interested in deleting this application with documents and data on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on Delete App. Then you say for access, deleting this app will also delete all its documents and data, and you cannot undo this action. So proceed and click on Delete App. Once you hit that, hang on. While the application is being deleted, once deleted, you can just go back and then you are good to go. So you can repeat this on all the applications you want to delete or uninstall permanently on your iPhone, either on iOS 18 or earlier, and then the app and all the data will be deleted permanently. So that is basically how to delete an app and all its data on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.